come with something else.
Step your cookies up.
You have to bring a little bit more to the table. No, don't get me wrong now. No, we'll see it and say, Jano, she fat, you know. You know, so she round like an English pound. I will say something. Right. I'll go on again, merch fans.
Hey guys, what's up?
There, that is a vlog, you know.
Yes, sirs and ma'ams.
And the one I call step talk.
Step talk, what does that mean?
I would have on the step and talk.
Step talk. Oh snap! Look at you! Yeah, guys, we are still transitioning into our new home, so forgive us. We don't have no little hangout spot for y'all yet. So until further notice, it will be step talk. Welcome back to our channel if you are returning, and if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and be active down below and talk to us.
Yeah. I mean, I tell you, just punch the subscribe button, you know, the like, the share.
Yes.
You know, tell a friend to come
you
watch.
can subscribe right here down below by the logo as well. It's just a tap away. Boop.
Yeah, man, tell a friend about ojmerge.
So today we're going to be talking about how to turn a Jamaican man on, ladies. So this is for y'all. And let me tell y'all something. Y'all can trust that I know how, okay? I ain't get this belly for nothing. No? Don't do that? Okay. So yeah, without further ado, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. From my experience, and let me just be clear in saying that I can't speak for every Jamaican man across the board, but I can speak for my Jamaican man, I can speak for my experience thus far. And I would say, number one, what turns a Jamaican man on is class. I think that Jamaican men are attracted to a woman of class. You know, they're not really looking for the easiest catch of the day or somebody that's letting it all hang out, but a woman of standards, a woman that has something about herself and carries herself like a lady. Would you agree? I don't know. Speak on that.
That's a part of it.
It's a part of it?
That's a part of it. Because we can say you have all type of man in Jamaica at the end of the day. Or we'll go for the regular every day. As the American, I say, ratchet, yeah. You have Jamaican man, you know, where basically, you know, different type of female turn the man. So, you know, class of female is good. And not really only turn on a Jamaican man. Him say longevity. Him say a whole heap of different things. If it's a class of female, then them take the approach differently. Them like that at the end of the day. So, yeah.
And let me just say, we're not just talking about turn on sexually arousal. I'm speaking, because you know, you have more than one sense, you know, so not just erotically, but mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So I'm kind of tapping into how to turn, you know, a Jamaican man on, covering the whole arena. But like O said, there are different types. So figure out what type you're dealing with first.
I'm going to say this though. I'm going to give a woman a cheat code.
Oh snap!
Just the same way you hear a Jamaican man speak and you say, oh, his accent, you know, is this, or his accent is sexy, or whatever it is. I'm going to tell you all this. Y'all accent is sexy too. For the typical Jamaican or for the regular Jamaican that never traveled or traveled for the first time or come America a certain type of way, they're not used to hearing American ladies speak all the time. Just a little notch there alone, when a Jamaican is with an American, you know, it's fascinating just for you to speak. Just like how it's fascinating for you guys hear we speak. So you already, you know, you already get a little pointer right there just because of your accent. Vice versa. So the same way you feel about a Jamaican man and when him speak, a Jamaican man feel the same way about you ladies when y'all speak. That was a small tip of the iceberg. Now class. For the American female with class at the end of the day, that is big. Majority of Jamaicans will come from the ghetto. But now I say ghetto girl not have class. Ghetto girl definitely have class.
Shout out to our ghetto girls out there.
Jamaican ghetto girl full of class. But me gonna keep it 100. Enough Jamaican girl is down to earth and rooted at the end of the day and just, you know, them gangsters in them own way and you know they have their own little thing going on. So for a woman at the end of the day, you know, if you have classes where, you know, Jay saying at the beginning that, you know, it kinda sexy. It kinda different.
Yeah, you know, and
Kinda
I mean,
outstanding.
you ain't gotta be like,
I won't say class, I not typically mean, you know, I mean class. Put yourself a certain type of way. You know, operate a certain type of way. You know, move different. Move classy. You know, all of them attributes they put together. You know, just display class. It means a lot to a Jamaican man.
Yeah, and class doesn't mean bougie ladies or from a certain class, a social class. Really, I think an even better word would just be femininity. You know, every woman has femininity. Every woman knows how to tap into that regardless of how you operate. You know, femininity is how you put yourself together, you know, how you flirt, how you talk to your man, the tone of your voice, are you know, just the way you move. I mean, we're gonna do a whole nother video just for me and the ladies.
The next thing is I don't want Jamaican woman them feel a type of way, you know.
Absolutely not.
You have a different cheat code and that just stay away. But
let me tell you, these Jamaican girls, they got the wine and the hips
most
now.
Definitely.
They come snatching
Jamaican
up
woman
these
have
American
some
men.
different cheat code when it come down to it all. So I'm not getting at that. So my Jamaican ladies, this is another vlog for Uno.
It's not an American woman versus a Jamaican woman thing.
No,
it's a woman. It's a woman thing.
So it's not, you know, me not take no shot, not throw no shade at my at my Jamaican female. Them. You don't know that go already.
Be careful, they don't
my mother
come for
Jamaican,
you.
my sister them are Jamaican, and
Absolutely.
you know it go already. The typical sometimes, you know, foreign woman, not only American woman, English, Chinese, whatever it is, I always try to figure out the Jamaican man because it's like them feel like say the Jamaican man kind of difficult more time. He have different ways, he move different, you know. The thing them come with it just different. You know, it's hard to study a Jamaican man because how we move. So when that conversation here, after the female who is not familiar with the Jamaican man, probably, you know, meet a Jamaican man and wonder, boy, he's different. Why he move like that? You know, he says some things and it's crazy sometimes. I wonder if he's telling the truth. What turns him on? What makes him feel like, you know, what makes him feel good or whatever it is. So we just get in a little part of that. And as I say again, you know, Jamaican man like difference. Sometimes we like to experiment with, you know, something different. And that's why I didn't think.
Yeah. And so as we move into the spicy parts, because this is a spectrum. We're gonna start at the mind, body, and spirit, and then we can dabble a little bit in the spicy parts.
This is the introduction.
And then we ain't gonna stay on that too long because this ain't ojmerge after dark. Y'all wasn't messing with ojmerge after dark, okay?
I like a woman with ambition because that tell we say, all right, we bring this to the table. If the woman have ambition and, you know, she can cap it, you know, she can turn certain things, you know, into goal. We just want to bring certain things to the table. We need, you know, it's a partnership. And if we bring certain things to the table, then you suppose you can transform it into certain things. Them say behind every strong man is a great woman or a good woman or something like that.
Yeah.
So with that being said, if a woman can contribute not only information, not only loving, not only sex, but also ideas, also, you know, contribute towards your success in any way, shape or form. Once she have a fair little, you know, look on certain things.
Yeah.
Once she can help you manufacture that dream the way, you know, you see, and she can help bring that situation, then definitely.
Because ladies, we have to remember, we all have the same thing underneath this skirt. You know, we all got one. So you don't want to be the woman that's operating off of that or looks. You could be cute, you could be pretty, you could be well dressed, you could be intelligent. It's always going to be somebody that looks better than you. It's always going to be somebody smarter than you. It's always going to be somebody that got more money than you. So make sure that you're bringing more to the table than just sexuality or, you know, the surface level.
Yeah, man, be a rider.
Yeah.
Help build the empire at the end of the day we are trying to build. Bring your idea to the table, me bring mine. And one-on-one make two, figure it out, I will make a move. You understand me? Nothing more sexy than a rider. A woman that there for you day in, day out. When you're down, she's there. When you're up, she's there. She's there to ride. If you're in a certain things, not saying you must put your lady in a certain situation, but if, you know, you roll certain way, she can support the rolling. She down for the rolling because you don't know the thing already. Be a rider. Believe in your Jamaican man. Because our thing different, as I always say, you know. We have some crazy way of thinking, but at the same time it work. And not more sexy than a woman that trusts her Jamaican man and knows, say, you know what, I'm going to trust him. I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt to make this work. I'm going to stand behind him 100% and see how this thing work out. I don't know what the heck he's talking about. I don't know how it's going to work out. It seems crazy. But let me trust him and what's going on.
How about a little bit of mystery? You touched on the fact that a lot of women feel like Jamaican men are so mysterious, or how do you crack the code, or what is he thinking, or I mean, ladies, how about a little bit of mystery yourself? Like, you don't have to, when you first meet a Jamaican man, tell him everything about you. You know, I think men in general, they like to solve puzzles. They're problem solvers. They want to figure things out, you know. So if you are spilling everything, all your emotions, telling them about your past, who broke your heart, your daddy issues, your trust issues after the first day of meeting him, you know, I mean, maybe somebody would see that as, oh, she's vulnerable, I can connect to that. But I think that a little bit of mystery goes a little bit a long way, especially in the beginning.
Well, let me say this. A lot of women that are not from Jamaica, a lot of women that are not from Jamaica like ask a Jamaican man certain question, but not ready for the answers that they're about to get. Why? Jamaica different. Jamaica different. Jamaican man different. We've been through some things and some obstacles, we go through some terrain, some hills and some valleys, and some trials and some tribulations sometimes. That when you ask these questions, prepare for your answer. And the same with the Jamaican man. And the reason why sometimes as Jamaican man when I ask women certain questions are because we really want enough to ask, we really don't want to ask me the same question. Because it probably can't deal with it. You probably can't deal with it. And then you're going to start overthinking it. Well, Chas, I don't know. This sounds crazy, you know. It's like, so when I really ask that much question, we just roll. We don't want to know how much money I used to deal with, because if we get a number upon, you know, how much woman we probably used to have, it probably be problems. So we don't even go down that road. You know, we don't ask certain questions because it's not important to it. And because we know at the end of the day that, you know, if we tell y'all certain things, it's either y'all ain't gonna believe it, y'all gonna think it's a movie, or y'all gonna think, nah, this can't be right, he's lying. You know, so with that being said, we don't really ask that much question. But sometimes, you know, after a certain point in your life, you know, you want to open up.
A person will want to know more.
A person will
about
open up. And by, you know, taking them small steps and them small leap, you know, disclosing certain information. When the trust level, when you build the trust. When you build the trust, I really want to know, then that's different. Then we can have that type of conversation. That means, you know, we are and kicking. So the conversation can have. Yeah.
Strength. I think that Jamaican men are attracted to strong women because they're used to being around strong women. They come from strong mothers, aunties, sisters, you know, and every man will say that he wants a woman that's super submissive, but I think beneath it all, a man wants a woman that's strong. No man wants a doormat. He might think that's what he wants because he gets his way, but in the back of his mind, he's looking for that woman that has strength about her, that stands her ground, you know, because a weak woman, how far can you really go with that person? And I think being raised by a strong female figure definitely sets the tone for them wanting to see that in their partner. So I would definitely say being a strong woman is one of the ways.
Yeah, and being a strong woman too shows not only a Jamaican but any man that a female is strong enough to be trust. My female is strong enough to deal with life. My female is strong enough to go through day-to-day activity and know, say, you know, she can take on the world on her own when I'm not around. And that's big, you know. Jamaica is just like any other place where you grow up and, you know, where you see enough single moms do their thing, and, you know, some of these single moms here are awesome. Strong women do their thing, whatever it is. And you grow up as a Jamaican and you see your mom do certain things. You know, some of us do have our dad around. You know, some did. You know, some of us had their dad around. Some of us don't. But at the same time, you see your mama grow up as a strong woman and deal with life a certain type of way. You know, so you want to have a strong woman in your corner as well, if you know that. If push comes to shove, which is another Jamaican terminology.
No, babe. Everybody
I know
knows
that.
Yes.
Okay. If push comes to shove, your lady can hold it down because she's strong-minded, strong-willed, and can take on certain things.
And being strong, not to be confused, ladies, with being combative. You know, because we have to remember that there's a masculine energy and there's feminine energy, and they were designed to work together. So careful not to let you, being a strong woman, want to fight your man on things. Or, I mean, we all have both masculine and feminine energy, but as a woman, you don't want to tap so much into your masculine energy that you and your man are at war. So figuring out that balance is key. You know, there's a way to balance being a strong woman and still being a feminine woman. Next thing, get into an argument or a disagreement with them. Get into a disagreement or argument and see if your Jamaican man do not want to. And let me finish. I don't know if it's a Jamaican man trait. Y'all, I've been trying to hide this nail from y'all forever, but I can't. It popped off. But this man right here, get into an argument or a disagreement, and then I think that turns you on. Like, because there have been instances where right after we get into it, you want to be up on me, etc., etc. And when I get into it with you, the last thing I'm thinking about is being close, being intimate, being sexual. I'm like mad at you, but he is like, you gonna give me some?
And
But I'm serious.
and that's
like,
where dominance come in again at the end of the day as a man. As a man, you're always a man. And no matter what it is, woman is always a woman. Whether she mad at the end of the day in a certain state, whether she calm and easy. You know, it's just one of them things. And sometimes when sometimes when you see her get mad at the end of the day and go on and you see how passionate she get, it's sexy. When you see her get mad and passionate and go on a whole heap of things, you see that you look at her and say, look how she ball up herself. Look how she get mad.
Y'all see this?
Because she ball up herself. Look how she get mad at the end of the day. And in her mind, she get more mad at man because she probably thinking, what the heck this man thinking? And all I'm there thinking, like, she's sexy, I get mad, you know. so I want them to, because fear, anger, and fear, you know, going over the top with it.
I think because I'm so sweet and nice.
Nah, that's not what.
That when I turn up on you, it's just like a switch for you. But
not necessarily. I just feel, to me
because
personally,
I'm so sweet and kind to him, guys, like all the time.
To me personally, a female, I gonna be a female. And no matter how much she gets, she's always a female. So in my head, what is your anger gonna do? What you gonna do with it? Just get mad and that's it?
Choke you out.
No, just use it up.
Choke you
out. Use it
out.
up. You can't do me nothing with your anger. As a man and as a Jamaican man, that's what me think. Your anger ain't gonna do me nothing. So the most it can do for me is, you know, you can contribute that anger to something else. Turns that anger into passion. Do something with it. Because in my mind, I don't know. I'm just looking at
dirty.
her thinking,
just dirty.
Well, she mad as shit right now. She mad and crazy. But if she turn the anger there into something sexy, then we got something going.
I'm learning how to make that transition though. You know, it's been tough, but I'm learning. Like, oh, okay. This is how we like turn it off and go to another place.
And that's beautiful. Because of all that argument, if you walk away, it's pure silence, it's pure this, it's no one person mad at the other one getting mad. It don't make no sense. Just make some good loving at the end of the day and back to square one again. It's all good and great. So. That's one of them things.
I think that's a good transition into some of the spicier things. So the first part of what we discussed is kind of just how you turn a Jamaican man on without your sexuality. Because if you can turn a Jamaican man on mentally, then obviously everything else flows, you know. But I will leave it to the masculine energy over here to touch on a few things
like what?
On the physical level.
Let me tell you something about a Jamaican man. Apart from all of the first things, apart from the things that we talked about first, where a Jamaican man probably like to see we turn a Jamaican man on mentally in them brain. When it comes down to the physical type of thing, it don't take too much. Because if you get to that point already, that means you pass all the other tests that you went through or whatever it is. If you get to that point physically, but I think it don't really take that much. We eat too much steamed fish and okra.
What does that mean?
Easy turn on, man. Like a light switch. As a Jamaican man, we are very sexual people. And I just one of them things, man. Female are female. And we're going to get it cracking. If you get past the first steps to be alone with us, or get yourself comfortable in a space whereby you're alone with us, then it's never take too much. Because our mindset kind of different. We don't need that much. And we don't need all of the other stuff them where, we don't need none of them something. We just ready. We're born ready. That's probably the only thing with a Jamaican man. Them born ready. Them not have to go into the other theatrics and all the this and that and the re and tear. Them born ready.
No. I would say very high reactivity to touch. Just like, touch. I could tell when I touch O, it puts him in a calming space. And, being in a calm space is a good intro into transitioning over, we're both very touchy-feely, so we like touches, we like kisses, but, things like that are easygoing. And like he said, it don't
a touch,
take a whole
a look, a glance, a grab, a word, a whisper, whatever it is, it works. It all depends on the tone. Regardless, as I say again, the Jamaican man is just a different animal when it comes down to it all. But 10 of them own rights and how them deal with things. It don't take that much to turn a Jamaican man on. Why take to turn off a Jamaican man though?
That's another vlog.
I think that's more important, What turning a Jamaican man on probably is what turn a, majority of man. What turn a Jamaican man off might be a different ball game though.
If y'all want that vlog, let us know in the comments below, because that can definitely be a new subject.
Because a lot of females say, I met this Jamaican dude. I met a Jamaican dude and this and that and all of a sudden he's not talking to me anymore. He's distancing himself away, whatever it is. Sometimes you the female man. Sometimes you're nagging, you're doing too much, you just saying the wrong things, behaving the wrong way, always competing verbally with this man, just feel like you never have to go neck to neck. Never believe anything that he says, just because sometimes it probably be a long distance type of thing. You can't talk to him all the time that you want to talk to. People got things to do, work to go to, certain things to deal with. So if you don't get things on demand, females are needy and we have to understand that as man. But at the same time, trust the process.
Yeah, and we're gonna get into that on another video, ladies, because I think O can speak for the men, and I could definitely speak from where the women are coming from. Sometimes when they're coming from these places, I'm always gonna represent for my ladies. You my man, and I got your back too. But it's important that we represent both sides and what both sides are feeling in that type of situation.
Because female needy, they need it bad.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing. It's just that the female brain works different. The female brain is like a movie. And it's crazy. One phone call, no pickup. Oh, that's what he's doing. So I call his phone, he ain't picking up. He should be doing this. Hope he's not doing that. this, that, just down the line, all type of one whole thing.
Oh, I wanted to ask you a question.
Sure.
When it comes to turning a Jamaican man on, right? Would you say this is true or false? Because I think Jamaican culture comes across really sexual, especially in the music, dancehall music, and dancehall dancing. The dancing is very sexual, it's very close, it's very like, it looks like, I mean, you getting it right there on the dance floor. So, would you say that to a certain degree desensitizes Jamaican men so that they're not as easily turned on? For the ladies out there wondering, like, do you think because you grew up in that culture, are you not as easily turned on by a girl in some tight shorts or a girl that know how to make her ass clap? Like, is it like, oh, I see that every day just at the cookouts? Or is that
most
not
definitely? You have to understand enough this. We come from a country at the end of the day where the temperature is always hot.
Right.
Regardless. So seeing a woman dressed down, little tank top, little tights, whatever it is. Regular.
It's not going to get you going.
It's a regular thing.
Like
you see that every day.
Right.
You see it every day. So now, this is America where it gets cold sometimes. Sometimes a woman is fully clothed. Sometimes she take off, she dressed down. And she probably think, oh, I'm sexy out there. I should be doing what I'm doing. Or that nigga gotta look. And you might see a Jamaican man walk past you and you wonder to yourself, oh, I thought I was doing something. You're not doing nothing. Even the dancing, as we mentioned a while ago. The Jamaican man and the Jamaican female and the Jamaican culture would dance close. It looks sexy. Already for one, you do female, it may look different. If you close your eye at the end of the day and touch a Jamaican man and a Jamaican woman and dance, it feel like them a make love. Because them close to each other, hold up a bump and grind and that one. You probably feel to yourself like, nah, something going on here. Just
somebody busting on.
It's just a typical day on the dance floor. That's all it is. It's a typical day on the dance floor. Now, other cultures probably see that differently. Because, we here. So let's just use here. You dance with an American female, you get close to her, you bend her over a certain type of way, you're dancing, and whatever the situation is. Because, as you know, me a dancer, my thing different. When you start that style of dancing, you probably feel like it's sexual in its own way, which is it? Kinda sorta. It's supposed to look good. It's supposed to look like, okay, we are make love while we are dance,
It's
but
supposed
not
to look
really.
like art.
It looks definitely sexual art.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful. If you see it, it look just you wanna see, you wanna watch that. As a person that's not familiar with that, like damn, that's tight, that's sexy.
So with that being said, does that desensitize you?
A little bit, because a female now probably, the regular international female might come and dance a couple of times and think, oh, you think he's gonna get this? No, you just gave me a dance. That's all it is. There's nothing behind it.
Right.
And sometimes a female probably see a Jamaican dude in the club and in her mind she probably thinking sex, and she probably go over and do 2 little dance and twerk on him a little bit and expect that dude to think, or expect that Jamaican man to think, oh, it's going down. No, it's just a typical little club.
Right. So ladies, that ties right back into how we started this video. Like, when it comes to turning a Jamaican man on, don't rely on the physicality or the sexuality. Especially with the insight that they come from a culture that replicates sex just by dancing, all up and through their music. So they're not just going to see you with your boobs up to your chin and your apple bottom booty shorts on and think, ooh, gotta get it, gotta have it,
And the vlog, is
it runs a little bit deeper than that.
This is not only for the Jamaican man. This is for all Caribbean. Because y'all know Carnival is crazy.
Oh,
y'all know
gosh.
soca is crazy.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't want to see the kind of soca going down, because when the soca goes down, it's skimpy top and bikini in the street, party,
and thong, right?
Thongs, all type of thing. Costume, impy, skimpy, everything's out. Little beanie costume covering up a little portion.
I want to go to Carnival. Can we go?
And they're out in the street. Yeah, man, we can go to Carnival, man.
Can I wear a thong?
If you wear anything you want, wear them, mama. As long as the general there, it's all
You
good.
gonna be
You're
there,
protected.
but she's on my
I'm just
mind.
say you're protected. Once
Come on
the
now,
general
man.
is
I'm
there.
not going to wear a thong without you there.
But Carnival, definitely, if you don't see Carnival how it works, soca party, that is jam-packed with 30,000 people, everybody in impy skimpy, everybody wet, everybody drunk, everybody partying, and having a great time. You put that type of scene in an American club, apart different, excluding the strip club. You put that scene into any club, it's going down crazy. It's going down crazy.
It's going down. Young
But
job.
that's just natural for the Caribbean folks. A dancehall, soca, you know, soca done the right way like carnival. You will see that, okay, the Caribbean is sexual. So it takes more than just you wearing a little impy skimpy shorts or you doing certain things to think, okay, this booty shorts is going to turn him on. He's seen that booty shots every damn day of his life.
Step your cookies
You
up.
have to bring a little bit more to the table. No, don't get me wrong now, no. We'll see it in us. Say, know she fat, you know. You know, so she round like an English pound. I will say something. We'll see it and we'll acknowledge it. But I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'll bring a little bit more to the table.
So yeah, guys and ladies, that's our insight on how to turn a Jamaican man on. And we want to say this before we close out, because we get a lot of questions from you guys, specifically ladies who are dating a Jamaican or...
Keep pouring in them emails, guys. From the other day, the emails did not come in terribly.
Yes, we get emails from you guys, comments.
A lot.
And we really are considering hosting a live stream where you guys can talk to us live, a Q&A session, and you can get all of your questions answered. We want to get like 200 more subscribers because we want to know that there's going to be enough people in the chat room for it to actually be a discussion. So make sure, if you have been visiting our channel or if you're just finding us, if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and subscribe. If we get to 200 more subscribers, we would definitely go ahead and host this live chat for you guys, because we want to answer all your questions. Sometimes it's hard, and a lot of y'all ask us the same type of questions. And then some of y'all, you have text messages that you want to like read to us and let us know. So with all that being said, if we could get together and kind of give you a live Q&A session.
I don't want to say this too. I rarely get questions about the Jamaican female.
Yeah, where my fellas at? Because we know
What do them? What the man them gonna do?
we know there's a lot of males that tune into
What to
this
the
channel.
American man them at the end of the day what date the American, what date the Jamaican female them? How that part of them go? I'm gonna say una go hard. It seems like 1 million American women dating Jamaicans, but what happened to the American men that's dating the Jamaican female?
Yeah.
Because I've got inside on that one too. I'm a Jamaican typically. So you know it work already. I will probably have to go to one of them vlog there. Because Jay got Jamaica, she see how the Jamaican female them operate, you know. And always from Jamaica. So
Yeah.
we can go in some insight.
So we definitely want to do that for you guys. Again, if you're interested in that, like this video, let us know in the comment, but most importantly, subscribe, because we need to see that it would be enough of you guys in the chat room for us to, you know, even have a productive discussion about this. But we'll think it'll be a lot of fun.
Most definitely. I'm going to say, American females, big up on yourself. Jamaican females, which is my homeland, big up on yourself. Trinidadian females, Guyanese females. I'm matter of fact, the whole Caribbean females, big up on yourself.
Yes.
European females, big up on yourself.
My Haitians.
Hey, well, a part of the Caribbean, big up on yourself. Females, big up on yourself. Because without female, none of we wouldn't be here. You understand me? But me tell Joan the other day, she tell me about her baby. I got to carry my baby for 9 months. Me ask her, say, you know how much years me I carry them, you tell my balls at the end.
That is not the same, babe. They don't affect you in no way, shape, or form down there. So chill.
But I've been carrying them though. A lot of them.
Oh my goodness.
Alright.
On that note.
Alright. You want to man? Oh, again, you know, and Jay, ojmerge. As me say again, you know, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend.
Yes.
And we'll have some conversation. For now, we out. Boom.
Are you me lover, you me want to be my only chick. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.